Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of health. Guys, my today's video contain very beautiful design ideas related to bullion note, that is bullion stitch or bullion note are different names of floral patterns that look extremely eye-catchy, easy to make and easy to embroider, and that give a 3D look for your whole dress. All of these design ideas are totally for neckline embroidery, for bot neck style, for U shape or round shape neckline, and creating your shirts, kalidar suits, peplum, kameez, t-shirt, or any type of blouse more creative, beautiful and eye-catchy. You can also make these very beautiful and eye-catchy patterns of bot neck neckline onto the back of your shirt, kurti as well. So I have been suggesting you in my various videos, in order to give them more creative, beautiful and formal touch, you can use pearls, beads to beautify them, to create their creativity, to enhance their beauty and elegance as well. So same are the suggestions for my today's video as well.